Alright, for number 6, they're just using function notation to name each polynomial. So f of x is the name of the first function, x minus 5, or first polynomial, and g of x is the name of the second polynomial, x squared plus 3x minus 6. They're asking us, they said the directions are to find f of x times g of x, so you're just multiplying the two polynomials together. So if you're having trouble with distributing, I would choose the box method. So what type of box are we creating? The first polynomial has 2 terms and the second has 3, so we're making a 2 by 3 box. So draw that out first and label your terms. So up top we have a space for 3 terms, so I'm writing the trinomial. X squared is the first term, 3x is the second term, and negative 6 is the third term. Down the side, the left side, is 2 spots for the binomial. X is the first term, negative 5 is the second term. So to get inside the boxes, this first box, for instance, that I'm check marking here, remember you multiply what's directly above and to the left of it. So we're going to multiply x squared times x, and we're just applying the multiplication property of exponents, which says you add the exponents. 2 plus 1 would be 3 total, so x to the third. In our next box to the right, we're multiplying 3x times x, so that would be 3x to the second, again because you're adding the exponents. And then the last box to the right, negative 6 times x is negative 6x. Alright, bottom left, we have 5x times negative 5, which is negative 5x squared. Next box, you're multiplying 3x times negative 5, which is negative 15x. And then the last box, negative 5 times negative 6, positive 30. Alright, so once you have all of the boxes filled out, you're going to start with the highest degree, since you're writing your answer in standard form. So the highest degree would be the x to the third, and there's no other x to the third in any of the boxes to combine, so x to the third will be our first term in our expanded form here. Let's look at the next highest degree, which would be the x squareds. So we do have some terms to combine here. So negative 5x squareds plus 3x squareds, if you combine those, that would be negative 2x squareds. So we're going to add negative 2x squared to our expanded form here. Next to combine, looks like we have some x's, the next highest degree, so negative 15 minus 6 more. Some of you are having trouble with your integer operations. If you spent $15 and you spent 6 more, how much do you spend total? 21. So I have negative 21 x's. And then this 30, there's nothing to combine with it, so that constant gets tacked on to the end of our expanded form.